Hi everyone, I'm not Harshika Gudi. I'm a detective sent to look out for zombies. This is Halloween and I have some secret information that there are some zombies out there and they really like to eat my special zombie dal. Let's go ahead and make this. My expression is flat because I'm a detective. When I think of Halloween, I know there are a lot of ghosts out there. There's a song that I can think of. It's called Nandi Konda Vagullona. I know it's in Telugu, but this is a song that depicts ghosts. So here we go. Ooh, ooh, Nandi Konda Vagullona Nalla Tumma Needallo చంద్రవంక కోనలోన సందే పొత్తు సీకట్లో నీడల్లే ఉన్నా నీతో వస్తున్నా నా ఊరేది ఏది నా పేరేది నా దారేది నా వారేది ఓ ఓ Oh, I was supposed to be really serious, but I started. Detectives can be funny at times. So let's dig into our Halloween special zombie dal. So for the Halloween zombie dal, we need some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, few chilies depending on how crazy and spicy you want it, some chopped cilantro or coriander, ginger garlic paste, salt, cumin seeds, a pinch of garam masala, and a few onion seeds or kalonji, but that's optional. And for the Halloween zombie dal, we need horse gram, the black kind of horse gram, and we need to soak it in water for about 4 to 8 hours. Well, that really depends on you. If you don't soak, you just have to put it in the cooker for more whistles. Anyway, this is the horse gram. So for this dal, it cannot get any simpler. So we just have to throw in the chopped onion, the chopped the chopped tomatoes. We need green chilies, the onion seeds, the ginger garlic paste, the chopped coriander, the cumin seeds, or here I have shajira, and finally we throw in our dal. Out of all the ingredients, we just reserve the salt and garam masala to the very end, because putting salt will not help the dal cook faster. And once we do that, we add in a little bit of water so that the dal can cook easily, and then we put it on stove for about 10 to 15 whistles to make the dal really soft. So once the dal is cooked, this is how it's going to look. Remember, we did not add salt and garam masala, so before we do that, we'll add in a little bit of water to the dal and mash it up a little bit. To this, we are going to throw in the garam masala and the salt. So that was my Halloween special zombie dal, and it's very nutritious, not just for zombies but human beings as well. So if you like it, please give it a try. This black color dal is definitely going to make your day really special. It's really tasty. Forgetting all those things, just make it, okay? So I hope you liked today's episode. If you really did, press that, okay? And please share this recipe and do subscribe to me, okay? So I'll see you next week. Until then, bye bye. Hey guys, I'm Harshika Gudi. How are you all doing? Remember, a few weeks back I had made 2 chutneys, a tamarind chutney and a mint coriander chutney, and I told you that I'm going to show you a lot more recipes with that. So I'm going to show you 4 recipes in the coming weeks, but today we are not going to see one recipe, but we are going to see 2 different recipes with the same chutneys. So if you want to know how to make those 2 base chutneys, click on the link on top right, view it, and then you're set to go.